How to install a single-room energy recovery ventilator. Let's open the package of the single-room energy recovery ventilator and check what's inside. You can find the user manual, ventilator machine and some accessories. Let's see more details. The ventilator includes external ventilation hood, air inner duct, fan with reversible DC motor and automatic shutter, rubber ring, remote controller, and installation accessories, etc. Then, prepare installation tools as listed. If it is not possible to install from the external wall, high buildings and there is no standing platform, please follow the steps below. 1. Determine the installation center point. Draw out an installation circle measured by the single duct. 2. Aim at the center point. Drill a hole, is greater than or equal to phi 170 mm by a drill. 3. Grasp the adjustable bracket and push the outer duct out of the wall, shaking the outer duct slightly if it is hard to be pushed out, which might take you some strength. 4. Handle the bracket to turn the outer duct forward and backward, left and right to make the air inlet, outlet installed downward correctly by the sign of the external ventilation hood. 5. Fill the gap between the wall and duct with PU foam and extension tube, using waterproof sealing glue for the gap close to indoor to against rainwater. The inner duct should parallel with indoor wall surface. 6. Fill the foam glue according to the 8 point of the adapt bracket evenly, as view. 7. Put the inner duct in the outer duct. Please make sure the filter, ceramic heat exchanger, another filter and bracket are placed in order inside the inner duct. 8. Put the fan on the surface wall as the location, which the bracket and the nut are installed on the fan in advance, that the duct of the fan should be put into the inner duct. Marking the drilling hole site. After pulling the fan out, drill 1 × 6 mm hole on the marking place and then put the rubber cap of expansion screw into the hole. 9. Fix the retaining bracket with an expansion screw. 10. Install the fan on the surface wall. The fan is fixed with nut. (11) Connect to the power and turn off the ERV unit with remote controller. If there is a standable platform outside the room, please follow the steps below. Drill a hole of, is greater than or equal to phi 160 mm by a drill. Push the outer duct through the wall from outside. Make sure to fill some styrofoam or waterproof glue into the gap between the duct and the hole. And then repeat the procedures from steps from 7 to 11 to install the unit. That's all for the installation of single-room energy recovery ventilator. Thanks for watching. We deliver clean and fresh air for your life.